Hey guys, I'm noticing that a lot of you are not using all of the resources I've shared for you. So when you go into your weathering and erosion assignment, it says watch video on weathering and erosion. That's here. You click here, you're going to end up going to my YouTube video about
All right, boys and girls, let's open up
the
our science textbook.
it's repeating, it's like confusing me. I'm going to read the science textbook to you and it's going to be there for you. Second thing you can do is I took screenshots of your science textbook. So you could use this to help you figure out what weathering is. Okay, can I do this? And I hit that arrow over, go to the next one. I can tell you what, do you tell me what erosion and glacier are? You don't have to look it up on Google. If you look it up in Google or in a dictionary, you're going to get a really big definition that is great for an adult, but we're, in third grade, okay? Don't make it harder on yourself. Use the resources that are there, okay, for you, and then you'll go into here. When you click in here, okay, I already have what I want for you to do. You're going to take out your name and you're going to type your actual name, Miss Forbes, okay? Then you're going to change the date. It's called vocabulary because that's what you're doing. I did an example with a plateau, something that we know. Now you were going to do weathering, erosion, and glacier. And if you would like, what is thawing? Because I stop in the video where I reach you and explain what thawing is, okay? And then what you would do, I don't have this button because I'm not doing the assignment. Over here, there will be a button. It'll say turn in. When you edited this document and did those 3 definitions and thawing, if you'd like, you're going to hit turn in and that'll come back to me, okay? I'm going to go back and put your name in there because I think I'm changing the actual document. Now let's go over to the other assignment. Okay, so classwork. Now you have 2 grammar assignments that are due this week. The first one is the work, the content, the stuff that you need to know before doing the quiz. I would do the capitals and types of sentences first before the quiz. And in here, I have a video of me reading the PowerPoint to you and talking about some things and pointing out some things. And then over here, I have the Google Slides, not PowerPoint, for you to go through as you need them. Do both of these first and then go into the capital and punctuation quiz. For writing, okay, teacher for a day. You're the teacher, you're me. Somebody came in and said, hey, you're in charge. What are we going to do? So again, you could do this slide thing here first if you'd like. It'll open up a Google Slide presentation where I'm making a word web. We were working on word webs before. What I do if I were a teacher. And then I also have it in Spanish because I know some of you are at a home where your grown-ups only read and speak Spanish. So this way that they can understand what the question is. You don't need to hand this in to me. You can all happily look at it, but you don't need to, okay? When you're ready, when you have an idea what you're going to write, you're going to click in here, and then you'll fill out the form. This will go into a paragraph for you. You can even hit enter, and it's a long thing. Okay, boys and girls? Hopefully this will help you as you're starting to really use the Google Classroom. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Remember, my loves, this is not McDonald's. I don't need to know when the fries are done. Let's save the stream for other questions besides I'm done, okay? All right, bye.